Checking it out now.
Tell me when the trailer clears this. Pretty cool. First car we're ever getting here. So the guy was cool and he's going to get the car. We didn't mark arrived. We didn't know.
Here it comes. There it is. Side looks a little squished too. Flat. All right. See what I mean about the corner now?
No, dude!
Fetch me their soul!
You can't see anything, Dad. You gotta spot him. Check the other side.
Whoa, just take it easy, man.
Mission complete!
Funny, there's no confirmation. Yeah, it was at 4.5, now it's at 8.
We'll get it figured out.
I just like to start a new file because otherwise it goes off and you can never find what you're looking for.
Look at the plane, Dad. Dad, I think that was a mail plane.
How could you tell?
Well, didn't you see the little balls?
Oh yeah, I did.
Let's open the trunk. Get a stick.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Open the box.
Oh, there you go. Surprise! Well, here's our inventory. We got a hydrate bottle. We got a charger thing that goes under the hood. We got a sack of, looks like mats. Other trim. Bottle of rubbing alcohol. I don't know if you can push the things. Go ahead. I don't know if it'll work from this side. No, it's probably latched, huh?
Pop the hood, probably.
That'd be cool. Do it. Go for it, boy. You got this. No?
Oh, I had it.
Well. There she blows. Carbon fiber intake. Belts look good. Everything, it's dirty, very dirty. It all looks good and good to go. It's dirty, but it's full.
Huh?
Smells good. Smells like oil. Lots of vitamins. What? Diesel modes. I feel like there's no way to get to it. So
The latch should be like right here.
why are you a good thief? I'm a little worried about that. You got it.
You should put your hood on.
All right, for this exercise, I'll be climbing in the trunk. Hi-ho, hi-ho. Shitty-ho.
Keep going, Dad.
We're almost there. I can see daylight. Pretty cool. Nice car. Where'd you get it? Thank you.
All right, Dad.
Hi, boy. Climbing.
Camera.
We're just doing an inventory. It's in park, so that's good. So here we are in the front of the car that I climbed through the window to get. Give me the golf club. I don't want to climb in anymore.
Really? Well, you'll be able to come out the window like Dukes of Hazzard. You'll be fine. Just
I don't think I'm fitting through that window. Although, having said that out loud, if it decides to go, I should be able to push on the brake with my foot. So.
Where's the commentary, Dad?
Hi ho.
Hello? Hello?
All right.
Anybody home?
Let's see if we can get her started. Ready?
Put it in neutral.
Hell yeah!
21 gigawatts!
Rev it a little, Dad.
Pretty good, huh? So, we started her up. Obviously got some low tire pressure. We'll take care of that. I just wanted to straighten out the steering wheel, make sure the parking brake was on, which it is. And wait a minute, why is the screen off?
There's a button that says screen off.
All right. It's badass.
I just thought of something. You're gonna have to go out the same way you came, or we're gonna have to leave a window
Well, I can reach in it.
if the power's on.
All right.
I'll just climb out the way you came.
I like a Big Mac, fillet of fish, quarter pounder French fries, and a Diet Coke. Run and drive, baby. Can't open the doors or anything, but that's fine.
Just think, if you get out that way, then you can't roll it up, because it's not a key.
Agreed. Hold this key.
Whoa, cool.
Oh, I need to roll it up though. Oh, I haven't opened the window, so it will. Hi, boy.
I can't see.
Okay, move out the way. Here I come. We look like we stole this car. It's kind of funny. I'm glad it runs and drives.
What, this will be
I'm in the trunk. Oh, I don't like that.
I've made a problem. I don't know how to turn it off now.
Just hold the button down. Which one did you hold?
Double.
Huh?
Looks like a restart button. Okay.
Oh, feels like we just got a flat tire. Let's go check. I don't want to borrow anybody's trailer. Let me get in.
We're going over a bridge. It's ridiculously high.
I don't like it at all.
I think I've ever been on a bridge this high. It's like a roller coaster.
You should have seen the ones Stacy took me in on